All right, guys, so the day has come where I get to crack the seal on my Halo Gray Essential phone. This phone, I'm a part of the 220 Club. There are several different clubs out there who got to purchase this phone. And let's just say if you're in the 220 Club, you're winning. You got it. That's the lowest price it's ever been officially anywhere that I've seen. And this phone is totally worth that price. So here it is my white Essential. There's my camera that I've never opened. I'll probably test that out soon. But here it is, man. Let's get into this box here and let's get an unboxing going. So that was the world's fastest unboxing. I don't need to go through any of this. Ultimately, I got this for the other color. I really like this. Now the Stellar Gray is sold out, and wow, this same as the white, just this color though. Folks, it's hitting pretty hard. Pretty happy. This is definitely the best deal on the internet when it comes to phones. I got my matte screen protector ready to go on so I can match the front here. Obviously, you know, I have the matte screen protector on that one already. I'll compare those colors side by side. I had a black one, still got the white one. Sold the black one. Actually, I had two black ones. Sold them both. Picked up this jewel right here and this matte feel like Halo Gray is what they're calling it. Ultimately, same device, man. I really love it. This is, I'll be traveling and I'm gonna take this phone with me. So I'm going to take my SIM card out of my other Note 8 and put it in here. My other SIM card is in an iPhone permanently, so well, not permanently, but I keep it in an iPhone. But this is it. So let's compare these colors here. Move all this to the side. Not much difference. Yeah, no, total difference. The white is actually really sleek, you know, but having the shiny back is nice on the white because you can't even tell that it's fingerprints on there. This right here will probably show fingerprints pretty well, but it's a matte feel, so it's really nice, man. I'm really digging it. As you can see on this side here, you've got more of a darker metal used, and then if you look, the white kind of flows over, looks like more on this one because of that darker color. But other than that, man, same phone. Just wanted to compare the colors. The white is definitely way more pronounced, but that's not a bad thing. That's a good thing. This has got to be the best purchase on the internet right now, hands down. There's no way there's a better deal than this on the internet, period. Ceramic, titanium, full screen, 835, 13 megapixels on the back, dual, 8 megapixel on the front, 4K recording on both, Android Pie, Bluetooth 5.0, dual band Wi-Fi. I mean, what more could you ask for? Well, you could ask for a headphone jack. I didn't forget, folks. I didn't forget. You got a 3040 milliamp hour battery inside. I mean, you got the snap-on accessories that I need to unbox too. But for now, man, this phone is super hot. Really feeling it. Yes. This is such a win, man. Even if I never use this phone every day, for 200 bucks, or the 220 Club, I'll call it, we won in this situation. We won, folks. We beat the odds. Yes, we did, because they're sold out in the Stellar Gray from the Amazon site. They tweeted that out, and now they just have the black and the white. And the black one's probably gonna be the hardest to sell. The white one, there's gonna be another fire sale, folks. There has to be. They're gonna get rid of these phones. And what if they pull a fast one on us and release a Essential Phone 2 and bring it out at $499? I would be so happy, because I would want to see how much they've evolved from this design. Having the full screen design like this, and then would they keep the drop at the piece the same at the top of the camera? Would they stretch out the bottom all the way screen? Would they give it, they could possibly do it because they've got a rear fingerprint reader. So it's just a matter of what are they gonna do and how and when are they gonna do it. A lot of people truly believe that there's no Essential Phone 2. I personally think that they could very well, you know, come back and give it to us. So quick video on the Essential Phone Halo Gray. I was gonna say Stellar Gray. Halo Gray. This is a win-win, folks. If you didn't buy one of these, you missed out, man. You totally missed out. They're gonna go on sale again. Right now, the recording of this video, they're about 300 bucks, $310. It's totally worth that price too. But if you hold out long enough, they will have another sale. They're gonna move these units because they want to get rid of the inventory, and they've already taken the L, you know. So I mean, as far as like the price and everything, they just keep dropping it down because the units might not be moving fast enough. I wonder how many of these they've sold so far. I wonder. Anyway, it's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Gonna put my SIM card in and have some fun.